It's Mr. C. Building your own home is a complicated project. Come on up here on the porch and let's talk about how I'm building my home in the mountains. Taking a complicated project and breaking it up into smaller pieces can help simplify things. That's what I did. I broke my project into smaller pieces, figured out what I needed help with, and what I could do myself. Let's talk about some of these. One of the first things that we had to do was the site work, removing trees and creating a driveway and setting up a foundation of concrete. All that work requires a lot of heavy equipment, and it requires a lot of very heavy manual labor, digging and farm work, things that I couldn't do by myself, and didn't have anybody to help me. So I hired a contractor, a concrete contractor. I hired a site contractor, and I also hired a concrete contractor to help me with those portions of the build. They got the site prepared, got me a driveway in so I could drive up to the site. And then my contractor formed up and poured concrete, so I had a good foundation for my new home. So I helped some with the concrete. I made sure that everything was laid out correctly and that the utilities and different things were positioned in the concrete foundations. This was heavy work. Certainly couldn't do it myself, so it required help and equipment that I didn't have. Breaking this apart into sections really helped simplify this project. Another portion that I was able to break apart is the framing, the actual structural woodwork in the home. I hired a man who was a framer and a home builder. He helped me frame the floor system and deck the floor system. This was heavy lumber, and we had to cut it and fit it all. He had the framing skills that I didn't have. I can swing a hammer and hit a nail. I know how to read a tape measure and use a square, and I can cut lumber. I know how to do those things, but there's a lot more to framing than just that. We got the floor system framed. We stood up the walls and sheathed the box around the exterior walls with the structural sheathing, and then we put the trusses, the roof trusses on top. It was then that I needed some help with another section of the project. It was the roof decking, to finish the sheathing on the exterior up at the gable ends, to deck the roof, and to build the porches. All of this required very heavy lifting and working with heavy wood off of a ladder, things that I just wasn't going to be able to do by myself, and I had no further help. I hired a man, and his crew helped finish some of the framing, finish sheathing the whole exterior of the building, and put the roof decking on the roof, and then to build the porches. You see the porches here with the heavy timbers. Another portion of this project, which I wasn't going to be able to do by myself, is the roof. I hired a roofing contractor to put this metal roof on this building. He did a great job. He put the roof and the flashing on, and it looks real good. You know, we used hardy board on all the exterior siding. It's cement board, fireproof and almost completely weatherproof, very heavy. So I hired a man to put the siding up for me in the fascia, and he did a great job. So I took this complicated project, I broke it into sections. I analyzed each section and determined which parts I could do myself and which parts I needed help with. I had hands-on with all of this. I was involved with it every day, and I helped do a lot of it myself. I was then able to focus on the things that I was going to do by myself, like the plumbing and the electrical, the chimney, fireplace, the showers and tiles, the flooring, cabinetry, trim work, painting, sheetrock, all those things I'll be doing myself. This is how you can build your own home by taking this complicated project and breaking it apart into simpler sections.